Today we will show you how to adjust the sizing on the metal band on your vívomove Luxe. If the metal band for your vívomove Luxe is too large or small when you first put it on, you can easily adjust the size. To adjust the band, you will need your watch and a small flathead screwdriver. Start by putting the watch on your wrist to approximate where you need the clasp to be located. Remove the watch from the wrist and use the screwdriver to unlock the clasp. Carefully place the screwdriver on top of the metal bar to unlock the clasp. Turn the watch over and use the grooves on the back of the band to line up the clasp in the right position. Turn the watch back over and press down on the lock on the clasp. Repeat this process until you find the best fit for you. And that's it. You can now adjust the metal band on your vívomove Luxe. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.